So very quickly, I want to show you how you can adjust your animations and also how you can save them so you can use them again. So if we're looking at our Tonight We Are Young, what I had done is I faded in the we and I didn't fade in the R. But if I really liked this animation for the we, I can go to the word we and I'm going to go to animator one. So selecting the animator one. And first I'll show you guys how to do like easing in, easing out. So for ease, I'm just gonna hide these other ones for now, just so it's not chaos. Okay, just zoom in, I'm gonna click on animator one and on this little thing, so select that. I always double click and then have to hit cancel. But if you select that and you right click, go to keyframe assistant, and you can set up easy ease in, or ease out. Sorry, bit of a tongue twister. So you'll see it's changed its shape. If I then go to the graph editor, I can see the actual points. Oops. I can see the points on here where it's kind of easing into that point. So this is like acceleration or deceleration that starts into the animation, or you can do it on the out of the animation as well. Doesn't really matter. And so what you're going to see is a little bit of a shift. You can also do just an easy ease, which is both sides. That one, if you go to the graph, you're going to be able to use this handle to really change the level of acceleration. Does it accelerate more at the end or the beginning? You could play around with it and you can see, it's hard to tell with fade, but you can see it like starts off slow fade and then near the end it like comes in quite quickly. Again, hard to tell when you're timing it yourself, so it's worth watching it. That's a really tight one, so you might have to try it with some other ones, but you'll see like you can adjust how it accelerates into or out of an animation. That's what you're doing there. I just wanted to show you that. Okay, out of graph mode, we have this animation. I'm like, you know what? I really like this animation for we. I want to apply it to R and possibly other things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on animator one. I'm going to go up to animation and I'm going to save that animation preset. I'm going to give it a name. So I might call it fade in preset lengua. I don't know. I already have done this, so I'm just renaming it. Okay, now I have that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to R. And on R, I'm going to find the place that I want it to take effect. So right at the start of R is where I want that fade in to happen. And I'm going to go ahead and go to animation. And this time I'm just going to apply an animation preset, select the animation preset I just saved, click open. And you'll notice that starting where I had it, it has added that animation. So now instead of just having we fade, we have both. Okay. Excuse me. So that is the animation kind of ease in, ease out, as well as how to save an animation as a preset so that you can use it on other places. You're going to find that's really useful as you're doing things later in as you're adding more words and you're wanting to use the same sort of, oh, I figured this out. I like it how this word appears, but words appear multiple times in songs or other things. You might find that if it's the same word, I just duplicate it. Okay. And that's that. It's just a quick one.